Okay, so now in order to add a music visualizer inside your navigation bars while music is playing, first you're going to need this application. After downloading it and installing the app, go ahead and open it. Now when you're in the app, it will first ask you for the permission to draw over other applications. So just grant the application this permission so that it will be able to function. After granting the app the permission, go back to the application. Now when you're on the app's home screen and you have an internet connection, you'll see some of the visualizers made by different creators and you'll be able to download them and use them. But for our case, let's make our own visualizer. So when you go to your users option, you'll see a visualizer. Just go ahead and tap on that visualizer, then tap on this pencil icon to edit the visualizer. There are different types of shapes, so you can be able to choose from the shape that you want, and you'll be able to adjust the color gradient, size and height. But I've already selected this shape. I'm just gonna leave the other settings the way they are. I'm just gonna save my changes. Then in order to apply the navigation bar, in order to apply the visualizer inside your navigation bar, you have to tap on apply. After doing that, the app will automatically add a visualizer inside your navigation bar while music is playing. But if you still don't see a visualizer inside your navigation bar, come back to the application settings, come back to the app and then go to the applications settings. Then make sure that this feature right here is turned on. The feature which says enable visualizer, make sure it's turned on. Now let's go and see if the trick actually worked. So let me just play a song. So now, as you can perfectly see, the visualizer is inside my navigation bars and it works perfectly well. And if you stop your music, the visualizer disappears. But if you continue playing the music, the visualizer appears inside your navigation bars, just like that. Okay, so for those whose phones don't have navigation bars, their phone uses gestures. Well, in order to add a visualizer, just go to the application, then go to the application's settings, then scroll down until you see this option here which says visualizer position, then tap on it, then make sure it is set to place visualizer above navigation bar. If you set it to place visualizer under navigation bar, it will appear, but for some visualizers it won't. So make sure that it is set to place visualizer above navigation bar, meaning that it will appear even though you set it to any type of visualizer. After doing that, save your settings. Now let's go and see if the trick actually works. I'm just gonna go and play a song. and so you can perfectly see that my phone has no navigation bars, but I still get to see visualizers on the bottom of my screen. Okay, so if you like this video, be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be the first one to get notifications each time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching and have a good day.